In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Hostinger domain and get a refund. First, you want to sign into your Hostinger account. Then from the left-hand side, you just click on domains and you want to find the domain which you want to cancel and get a refund for. Click on it. Then right here to the right, you will see auto-renewal. You will uncheck it. And then it's going to tell us that when it expires, this is going to happen, and we will just click on disable auto renewal. Now, once you have disabled the auto renewal, your domain is still going to be active until the expiration date here. And if you want to get a refund, then you will click on ask here. And once you click on ask, I've basically just typed refund and sent it, and it's gonna ask for the payment ID of the purchase you want refunded. Now, in order to provide that payment ID, from the left hand side, you want to scroll down until you see billing. You will just click on billing, and there you will be able to find your payment history. You will just copy the payment ID, paste it here after you have typed refund, and the AI assistant is going to walk you through the refund process. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.